because this is another way to get to our house. And like so. This is also where we sit down. And this is where I showed you. Mommy, can I show them the house inside here? Okay. So guys, my mom said I can show you in here. I hope there's no one in here. Mommy, yes, come and show them. Mommy, yes, come and show them inside this house. Mommy, so you see this grey house? So it actually has something inside. Can I try?
It's so nice.
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Can I eat the black bit?
Yeah, eat everything.
You see that? That's amazing. I think you guys wish you were having this. It's so good. Yeah, like come. Mommy? Yes, show them inside here. This is our tap.